trying to cancel an order on the Shop app, here's what you can actually do and what to expect. First of all, there's no direct way to cancel orders in the Shop app itself. Shop is just a tracking app. Your order is actually handled by the store you brought from. Alright, these are the stores, and to cancel, just contact the store directly. Actually, there is an option here that like you can manage your orders in Shop, but this is for the seller. So you can see there are option to delete an order, but not to cancel that. Now to cancel, you need to contact the store directly. You can find contact form, like for example, if I go here, so you can just talk with the seller to, like, let me just show you. You can contact the store owner, and or you can just uh, look for a contact form, email or support chat, something like that. So just this is the surest way to contact the store. All right. So, but if the store disappears or doesn't reply, then things might get tricky. Now, if you don't hear back, just go to help.shop.app and then contact their support. You can just go to the help center and scroll down. Yes, you can contact the store or carrier, or you can report an issue to the shop. But you need proof of your order, payment, and failed contact attempts before you do so. Now, many users, I've actually seen this on Reddit, say that it can take weeks or even months to get a refund. And shop support may tell you to contact your bank instead. So, if you paid with a credit card, you'll need to like file. I mean, you can do like dispute through your bank. All right, file a dispute through your bank. But if you used shop pay installments, refunding gets more complicated and may show up as past due. So here's a pro tip I found on Reddit, that always order from well-known stores. For example, this is a very well-known store, 267K ratings. That's huge, and the store has been around for a long time. So check the store before you make an order. All right, and always order from a reputed brand when using shop, and that is because buyer protection is minimal. So to stay safe, and make sure to follow the tips I have said in this video and shop smart.